Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we are going to get into our June Ipsy bag, so let's get into it. I know I have been missing for a few days. I did have a couple of videos taped, so that was good, but we had a little health concern with my mom, but she is on the mend, so we are back to taping. I have my June, ooh, that feels very soft and nice. I have my June regular glam bag. That feels so soft. We just bought my dad an O's cap, and this feels very much like it did, the soft and the mesh of it. That is a fun summer bag. Oh, and it says love. The pull on it says love. That's really cool. This is the regular glam bag. You have one choice. They send you several items that you can choose from. They pick the other 4 items for you. As a rule in this bag, you're going to get deluxe samples. Periodically, you get full-size products. They say it is $13 and $2 shipping and handling, or just handling. I forget how they word it. But it's a $15 bag. I always find it to be worthwhile. I think we get fun things to try, fun things to share. June is Ready, Set, Play, June 2023. This month, give yourself permission to play, whether you're escaping on a summer vacay or exploring a brand new beauty look with mood-boosting makeup and happy hits of color. That is what the front looks like. Do we have our information? Oh, we do. I got Mr. iPad ready just in case we didn't. That's what we have coming out. So let's dig in and see what I got. I have a Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Natural Matte Tinted Moisturizer. Love tinted moisturizers in the summer. It has an SPF 30 mineral sunscreen. Some of the Bare Minerals products have licorice root. I will double check that this one does not. And we will go from there. The color is Vanilla 02, so that seems reasonable. On first blush, the ingredients seem fine for me. I tell you, I have just been finishing up, I may have gotten it in this last month, a Smashbox foundation. I might have to purchase that. I have it on today. I like it a lot. All right, let's try this one out. Oh, the color seems okay. It seems a little bit like it's foamy, moussey. Moussey would be a better word. Yeah, it goes on. I don't know if you'll be able to tell. I might have gone one step too far, but it has almost a mousse texture to it. That is interesting. I wonder how that will apply. Virtually no scent, just kind of clean. The color should be fine. I mean, it just went away. Just poof, gone. It did kind of make the back of my hand a little bit glowy. I don't know if you can tell the difference. This is the one it's on. It did make my hand a little glowy and it feels very nice. I will for sure try it on my face. And it's titanium dioxide, so it is an SPF 30, but it is mineral, not chemical, because I have given up chemical sunscreens and I have found some lately that I really enjoy. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. I have seen the Frank Body a million times. I don't know that I've ever seen a sample size in the actual Frank Body container. Rose Hip Body Scrub and Cleanser. I'm a 2-in-1 melting body scrub with exfoliating sugar and smoothing rosehip oil. Well, don't you sound delightful? I like the way that sounds. Let's see how it takes off that foundation we just put on. We open it up. You can see a little bit in there. Oh. That is what it looks like. Probably enough to do my whole body, not just the back of my hand. I just forgot to tell you all about that foundation. Like, I haven't done an unboxing in forever and I have forgotten how to do it. Woo, she chunky. Can you, not just she, can you see? Oh, that smells good. Yeah, you don't like it if you don't like rose though. Can you see how big the salt grains or sugar grains are in that? It said sugar, right? It didn't tell me. Yes, exfoliating sugar. It told me I need to pay attention. I like the way that smells a lot. I will for sure use it, but yes, I can tell that it's rose hip. It kind of, I mean, it's not like you're not walking into a garden and getting a whiff of rose, but I can tell that it's in the rose family. This is definitely one you want to do in the shower though. That is a lot of chunky sugar. Well, let's go back for a minute and say some words about these products. The Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Natural Matte Tinted Moisturizer in Vanilla is a total game changer for anyone who wants to look flawless while keeping it natural. It's like magic eraser for your skin, blurring imperfections and evening out your skin tones with a sheer but buildable coverage. It did feel like that. It felt very nice. It is full-sized, is 35 ml, and it's $37. So it's just over $1 per ml. Right? 35 ml, $37. So I have 7 ml, so it would just be just over $7. Wow. Wow. And then we have this Rose Hip Body Scrub and Cleanser by Frank Body. And it says, looking for a body scrub that's gentle but effective? Look no further than this Rose Hip Infused Wonder. This product packs a punch with its exfoliating power while still being gentle enough for sensitive skin types. If this was full size, it would be 250 grams at $22. We have 30 grams. So this is in the $2 range. Okay, we're caught up. Let's move on. Next we have a brush. It looks different, but I don't mind it. It is from Wing Me, and it's a 03. That's a nice eye brush. And the paperwork says it's a small shading brush. Brush stash need a refresh? Actually, I don't need a refresh. I just need somebody to come over and wash all my brushes because apparently I won't do it. This one has a soft and dense squared brush head with slightly rounded edges. It's perfect for packing on color all over your lids fast. And it has a $10 value. Let's try it. Well, I mean, I know this isn't my eyes. I just wanted to feel it. Feels nice. It does feel pretty dense. I think that will work well. Like, you know, sometimes if you're using, I do in the corner of my eyes, I do a shiny shimmer. It's going great so far. What do you guys think? And those, a lot of times I just use my finger, but if I want to use a brush, it needs to be pretty densely packed, and I think this would be great for that. Is my long way of getting to the end of that story. Next out, and what I believe was my choice, is the Edesse, or Edesse, I'm never sure how to say this, Organic Infused Nail Lacquer Gel Effect. That is what that looks like. It is a very pretty color. Absolutely one that I will use because I love anything that ranges between a white and a pink, especially in the summer. I love a really clean nail look. This will absolutely work for me. I imagine probably it's the color that drew me in. It says this formula is super opaque, seriously shiny, and looks so much like a gel, but without the light systems or tricky removal process. True story. The brush dispenses just the right amount of polish on each nail, so it's pretty much foolproof. This is full-sized and it has an $18 value. When we take it out, it's just nice. I love pinks that are almost like a light ballet. I'm gonna try and put it over, you know, a shiny metallic. It's never gonna work, but let's just put it on my pinky and see what happens. They said it was opaque and I believed them, but I didn't think it had a chance in heck of being seen over this bronzish shimmer, but look, even over that darker color, it works. So I imagine a couple coats of this on a clean nail. That's going to be fantastic. Yeah, I love a good clean nail look in the summer. Excellent. I'm going to open my Boxycharm next. And I am telling you, since they made the switch, I have been super happy with my bags and boxes. I mean, the happiest I've probably ever been with Ipsy and Boxy. I don't know if I'm just getting lucky or what, but I'm very happy. How cute is this? It says ice. Can you see it looks like it's been bit out of? I think it's a lip gloss. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. The color is Lucky. It says, they show it like this. Ditto Ice Cream Liquid Lipstick in Lucky. This cute lippy in a medium berry shade will be the cherry on top of your makeup routine. This next generation liquid lipstick delivers matte, creamy color that lasts all day and leaves a soft focus feather light look. I have to tell you, I really thought this was going to be a lip gloss. I mean, I knew it had color to it, but I thought it was just going to be a cute little lip gloss. I wasn't expecting real lipstick. If it were full-sized, it would be 10.8 ml. Oh, this is very little. I don't know if I can see how many mLs this is. Oh, I can. 3.6. So it's about a third. It would be $35. So that's going to make this, you know, 11, 12 bucks. Let's get into it and see about that matte. This is so stinking cute. You see, it says ice. It just looks like a little ice cream. That is so stinking cute. It's a pretty dark color. That's what it looks like when we get it out of there. Let's just, ooh, we'll just do that. Oh, that's gorgeous. Guys, is that perfect for me or what? I mean, it's almost what I'm wearing, isn't it? Oh my gosh, love that. I'll leave it for a minute. We'll see how it dries down. That was an excellent Ipsy bag. I'm just saying. Is it me? I don't think it's me. I think these are good bags. This month I got a tinted moisturizer with SPF in it. I mean, could it be better for June? I don't think so. I am thrilled to try it because if I love it, it's relevant for the next 3 months. I can get more. The Rose Hip Body Scrub and Cleanser from Frank Body, the Adesse. We can make it as fancy as we want, but the Adesse nail polish that I have on my pinky, the eyeshadow brush, and this super adorable lippy. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. We get the bag and all of this for $15. I am totally happy with that this month. And I say this month, but it's been since the change that I have really enjoyed this. Super cute. All right. Thanks so much for coming by and checking this out with me, guys. Let me know below, how are your Ipsys doing? I am thoroughly enjoying them. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I hope you have a fantastic evening, guys.